Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can use different tools of geoprocessing. Here we have these are some of the tools and how we can use this. For that we need zip file. For example, I am going to take zip file of this is district, Okhalduga district, and then after I am going to add this is zip file of waterside. Okay, first of all let's use the tool first, buffer. We need buffer of this Okhardunga. Then give the location of your file. Okay, right here. Then after, let's take kilometer. Give buffer of 1 kilometer. Then okay. Okay, we will get here buffer zone. Let's move it up. Okay, this is 1 kilometer buffer zone. It is deleted. Now move to another tool, clip. For that, let's add this is the whole watershed. The clip feature Khardunga. Then right here clip. So our clip feature is this one. Then after, use the tool intersect. Intersect means in both the shape file, whatever there is overlapping, that will be clip. Okay, this is the overlap portion. Remove. Use this union. Okay, this means that this both are added now. We can check the attribute also. It is in this form. The attribute of this both are added here. Let's move to merge. Okay, the merge and the union is almost same. Okay. Then after go to dissolve. In this we will dissolve. Okay, I'm going to dissolve this. This is the whole watershed and these are some of the municipality, and we are going to merge this all municipality. For that we have to go here, dissolve, take this watershed. Okay, this is our final. I'm going to show another tool also. For example, This is our district and this is the watershed. So if we need to erase, means then how we can do? Go here, okay, type here erase, input feature, what will be okay, this is input feature, and this watershed, this Okhaltunga district will be removed. So this is our final output. In this way we can use the geoprocessing tools. Thank you.